Today I am going to be styling knitwear for you guys. Of course, we are in winter time, so I felt obliged to bring you guys this video because I know I ain't the only one who be cold. Although it's cold, you know, we still want to be cute at the end of the day. So your girl is coming here with about, I think I have 5 looks for you guys today. Yes, 5 looks. And also in today's video, I feel like it is honestly something for everyone to maybe resonate with. As always, be sure to let me know which look is you guys' favorite from this video down in the comments. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. I ain't got much to say. Let's get into it. The first knitwear piece I'm going to be showing you guys how to style today is actually a wool blazer. You guys know I wear this one so much. I got this one actually from The Real Girl by Comme. Getting into how you can style a wool blazer or coat. I wouldn't say coat because it's, you know, a thicker wool. I believe that pairing something oversized always looks super chic with something more oversized on the bottom, which is why I'm wearing baggy jeans. And with baggy jeans, you can, you know, pair with the sneaker how I have here, or what I think would look really nice with an oversized blazer and oversized baggy jeans is like a heel, just to bring in a feminine aspect if you about that life of wearing heels. Add a graphic tee just to add a little bit of playfulness, and I chose to leave my top tucked in, but of course it's by preference. I think that this look will also look really cool with the shirt tucked out, but because I love the detail on my jeans, you guys know I just did an unboxing on these. They are a unisex pair of jeans, so anyone can wear them, which is amazing. And yeah, they're freaking cool, so I had to show off the detail. And then for accessories, I always think that it's best to keep it simple, you know, less is more, unless you're feeling jazzy. You can see this look with maybe a jazzy earring, but I chose to just go for a small tiny little hoop, because this is more of like a, I don't know, girls night out, boys night out, chilling type of a look. Next knitwear piece we're going to be styling today is actually a cardigan, and you guys know I am not one to shy away from color in the spring, and I'm sorry, not spring, obviously wear it in the spring, but in the fall and winter months. I believe color is such a life brightening, altering, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I hope you catch my drift. Jeans, I'm playing a light wash pair of jeans, and I think that you would think that this is more so spring appropriate, but when wearing neutral colors, when wearing color in general, bringing in like a black shoe, for instance, is a nice way to make it more fall winter appropriate, because black is more so associated, of course, with the colder months. So I don't know, it makes sense in my head. And I actually got this cardigan thrifting. I got most of these pieces in this video actually thrifting, so check your local thrift stores. Jeans also, I talked about these jeans that I'm wearing actually in my last video. They're from this Dallas thrift brand, Slacker's Closet. But they're actually vintage Gap jeans. And I would say you don't have to do a vintage pair of jeans in particular. I just think that it brings in this worn in aspect. And since my cardigan is vintage, my jeans are vintage, a good way to not look super thrifty is to actually pair it with a more modern shoe, or just bring in any type of modern accessory, bag, jewelry. And my modern twist for this look is actually my shoes. As you can see, they're just a simple black rounded toe mule. And in my opinion, the rounded toe just really is what makes it look super modern. Next knitwear piece we're going to get into is actually this chunky knit sweater. Now, if you live any place cold, I'm sure it comes to no surprise that a chunky knit sweater is an absolute must. And I chose to pair it with a light wash pair of jeans because you guys know I love light wash pair of jeans with anything black. I think it's just the perfect way to get the most amount of wears out of your clothing items. And then as far as accessories, I'm just wearing a chunky hoop because, as you can see, I'm very simple with my look overall. So I felt like the chunky hoop gives my look a little bit of something and make it not super basic. And can y'all see my nail came off? I'm so irked. Also, this sweater with a little scoop in the back. Oh, obsessed. A good way to get this look maybe with a different sweater is if you find a sweater that has a lower front, just turn it around and then wear the V or the low cut on the back as opposed to the front. And this look will also look really good with black jeans, with wide leg jeans, especially if the wide leg jeans will like just hover over top of the boot. I think that is a really chic yet classy look as well. And I chose to wear this look with a light wash pair of jeans just to give you guys a transitional look from day to night. Because as you can see, the light wash jeans definitely makes it more appropriate for daytime. But if I just added a red or any type of pop of color on the lips, it would then be more nighttime appropriate. Okay, so for with this look, y'all getting a 2-for-1 because I actually am styling 2 knitwear pieces. This poloed sweater that I got thrifting, love the cuff detail. And actually these pants that I just thrifted, they are 100% wool. Fun way or chic way to style a polo sweater and also a trousers to pair them together. Why not? Tuck it in for a dad-like vibe. Oh, also this belt I got thrifting too. Do not forget to look through the accessory section at the thrift store because there are some gems in there. I was actually just watching this YouTube video by 55 Kareem and he found the Bottega Veneta bag. I was like, what the heck? But back to this look. Also, if you're having a hard time finding pants like these in the women's section, like I have always had, a good recommendation is to maybe check the men's section and go to a tailor that does an amazing job and just tag them in the waist. So this look to me it works because I am wearing all neutral tones. You can never go wrong with pairing neutral tones together. And for this look, I was actually stumped as opposed to what shoe I would wear with it. I actually tried a brown shoe, but it just didn't work. I felt like the white was the perfect pop that it needed. So I know it may sound weird, y'all, but let your outfit speak to you. Like, go with what you feel in your soul. Because in my soul, I felt like this white sneaker with the cream-ish gummy sole just really completed this look. And as you guys can see, my belt has gold hardware or like rustic looking hardware. And my hoop earrings are actually silver. And I know sometimes it's frowned upon to wear mixed metals, you know, gold hardware with silver hardware. But in my opinion, if the two hardwares that you're wearing are, you know, subtle, like my small hoop earrings are very subtle, you can definitely get away with wearing gold and silver metals together. Y'all getting another 2-for-1er. In this last little look here, I'm wearing a knit turtleneck top and also a knit midi skirt. And I chose to pair them together because to me it's a no-brainer. Whenever you're stumped as to what to wear, a turtleneck will literally go with any and everything. That's why I own like 10 of them. And for this look, again, I am pairing mostly all neutral tones. I'm wearing this blazer that I actually got from this secondhand boutique. It is by Jean-Paul Gaultier. And again, when pairing neutrals, you can never go wrong. You can be fun even if you're a little shy, but you kind of want to break out of your shell a little bit. A fun sock is a great way to do that. And also, if you're pairing the fun sock with neutrals, it's not, you know, as crazy as you think. And this look is even pretty out there for me, even. But don't be afraid to have fun with your wardrobe, guys. I mean, it's fashion at the end of the day. It's not rocket science. I had a boss that used to say that all the time, but it's true. And if you are one to love masculine mixed with feminine with the attire that you choose to wear, a derby and a skirt is a must. All right, y'all, so that actually sums up this video. Those are 5 ways you can style your favorite knitwear pieces. Be sure again to let me know what you guys' favorite look was down below. Also, if you guys have any other style video recommendations, be sure to let me know down in the comments as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.